Good morning, students. We will continue topic nutrition, competition number 8.4, and today's subtopic is dietary advice in a diabetes mellitus. Dietary management is very important part of diabetes mellitus for two reasons. First, to regulate the blood sugar levels and to reduce the risk of complications. So, following principles should be followed. First, the patient should take balanced diet. He should consume a food with low glycemic index. The fiber content or intake should be increased. Then he has to take low sodium diet. Regular small and frequent meals are advised, and last is physical exercise. Balanced diet. The basic principle of balanced diet is similar to the principle which we have studied in the balanced diet of an adult. Some extra points that we will cover here. The diet should have appropriate quantity of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. First is carbohydrates. Consumption of carbohydrate rich food should be minimal to control sugar spikes. Complex carbohydrates with low glycemic index food is taken. It includes whole wheat, oats, legumes, brown rice, etc. Here you should avoid refined carbohydrates with high glycemic index like table sugar, bakery product, white bread, pastries, sweets, etc. Coming to the next proximate principle is protein. Consumption of lean proteins, legumes, eggs are recommended in proper quantity. Consumption of red meat and processed meat should be avoided. Polyunsaturated fatty acids like olive oil, sunflower oil, avocado, nuts and seeds should be taken, whereas the saturated fatty acid containing fat like butter, dairy product and trans fat should be avoided. At the same time, vitamins and minerals are also important. Therefore, green leafy vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, green beans, broccoli are advised. Fruits like apples, berries, citrus fruits and pears should be taken. Next point is food with low glycemic index. The following examples are have low glycemic index like whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat, oat, legumes, etc. Vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, green leafy vegetables should be taken. Fruits like apples, berries are preferred. But the food like potatoes, baked foods, sugary drinks have high glycemic index and should be avoided. Increase in the fiber intake. Daily 25 to 30 grams of fibers are recommended in the diet. These fibers are found in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, etc. Dietary fibers slows down the absorption of glucose and improves the sugar control, blood sugar control in diabetic patient. Next point is low sodium diet. Consumption of chips, processed meat, pickle which contain high sodium concentration should be avoided. This is because diabetes mellitus is usually associated with cardiovascular disease. Since sodium increases blood pressure, it should be avoided because increase in the blood pressure is harmful for our cardiovascular system. Next, regular small and frequent meals are advised. These regular small frequent meals at specific interval will help or will not allow sudden rise in blood sugar levels as compared to high quantity meals. And last is physical exercise. Regular physical exercise for at least 30 minutes are advised for a diabetic patient to improve the insulin sensitivity. So these are some dietary advice of a diabetic patient. The basic structure of balanced diet in any case is similar to what we have studied in the balanced diet of an adult, and these are some additional points that you have to add in the diabetes mellitus patient. Thank you very much.